have our manure. This is our extracted manure from the pig's stay, and we are going to use it to prepare our cabbage and green pepper bed for our seedlings. Yes, we still have some fresh manure here. We have to leave for a while to rest so we can get nice dry organic soil, which we shall mix again for our bed. Yeah, it's all going to be organic, and just wait for the results. I hope everybody that is following us is learning something, and I hope you learn something doing this. Yeah, we are going to show you, we are going to be teaching you how to start and how to do a vegetable garden. We're going to start with green pepper and cabbages. Yeah, I love you all. Stay blessed, and please invite others to subscribe so we can learn together. Thank you. Bye bye. We meet on the next one.